Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A53, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off slow charging mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application here and scroll a little bit down to the battery and device care section. Now just tap here to the battery, scroll a little bit down, tap to the more battery settings, and now just to turn off slow charging mode, you should enable the fast charging by click once on the switcher, and to turn on the slow charging mode you should turn off fast charging by this way, just by click once again on the switcher. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.